If you are craving chocolates for breakfast, then you're at the right spot. These delicate French chocolatey crepes will hit the spot, and you can find the full recipe linked down below. So let's first get into it right away by grabbing that flour, the cocoa powder, some milk, lemon zest to really go with that chocolate, some salt, a tiny bit, sugar, and the eggs into a food processor, and then go ahead and pulse it 5 or 6 times. You want to try not to over blend that batter and combine it for as long as it takes, or pulse it for as long as it takes, until it has a nice smooth texture. You want to let this chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes. What makes a crepe different from pancakes is the sheer thinness and the delicate texture that a French crepe has. Also, pancakes are native to Greece and they're not American, and the first mentions of a pancake was, I think, between the 500 to 300 BC range. Also, crepes do not need any rising agent like baking soda or baking powder that pancakes do, so that's another difference. The batter is well rested now. As you can see, it has thickened slightly. Just the chilling process has done that. And you also won't see bubbles if you chill the batter before you make these crepes. Chilling it also helps to make sure that it spreads evenly on the pan, because we really want to be swift with those movements to get that nice even texture. And just letting it rest has allowed that gluten to really relax and develop in the case of all-purpose flour. Here, I'm actually using a 1-to-1 gluten-free flour because of reasons. And if you're using regular old flour, you don't have to worry about how much flour you have to use, because your flour is not the same as mine. To cook it now, grab a non-stick pan, set it on medium heat, and preheat that. Then melt on some butter, swirl on about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of batter down the middle. You want to put just enough so that you get a nice thin layer of batter all around the pan as you swirl it around, and now just let that batter set. You're going to see some steam coming out, and once you can slide that crepe around, you can use chopsticks. My preference is a fish spatula, or you can use your fingers and just flip that crepe delicately and cook the other side for about a minute. That's it. Set that aside and do the same for the rest of the batter. The fun part now is filling all these up. So I'm going to grab one of them and add some of my bananas. I'll make some with just strawberry and maybe some with both the fruits. But most importantly, I will top the fruits with whipped cream and then roll that crepe into a cigar. We always bonded on Valentine's Day with crepes, watching it being made at the market, and it's just a really fun thing to watch and then eat. It's just very satisfying. So enjoy this treat for yourself. Share this recipe with somebody who needs something sweet for brunch maybe. And if you want more chocolate for breakfast, you're gonna love my chocolate pancakes with mocha syrup. See ya.